Can you imagine a world where farming is managed by satellites, AI, and robotics? In China's smart farming, this is becoming a reality. From vertical planters to AI-powered greenhouses, China's agricultural sector is redefining efficiency and sustainability. Explore how cutting-edge technology is transforming traditional farming into a high-tech operation. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the notification bell for more on these game-changing innovations.
In Chongqing, innovation meets agriculture with a vertical farming system that rotates trays of seedlings for even light and water distribution. This approach exemplifies the power of China's smart farming to improve efficiency and crop quality. These rotating planters ensure optimal exposure to sunlight and precise moisture levels, creating the perfect environment for young plants. Seedlings in this system mature in just 20 days, slashing traditional growth times by half. Beyond speed, the system delivers robust and resilient plants better prepared for outdoor conditions. These advanced seedlings will soon populate 20 hectares of farmland, demonstrating the scalability of vertical farming. This innovation isn't just about improving yields, it's about rethinking how farming is done in limited spaces while addressing food security. Shanwei City in Guangdong Province showcases the transformative potential of precision farming powered by China's Beidou navigation satellite system. As one of the nation's key rice-producing regions, this area has adopted cutting-edge technology to streamline planting. By using GPS-guided systems, farmers can transplant early-season rice with unparalleled accuracy. A hectare of rice fields can now be transplanted in just 90 minutes, significantly faster than traditional methods. This time-saving innovation not only boosts productivity but also lowers operational costs. Farmers benefit from reduced labor intensity and improved crop uniformity. As this technology continues to evolve, it highlights how China's smart farming tools, including farm management software, are setting a new standard for agriculture in China. Agriculture meets automation at a 30,000 square meter smart factory in Chongqing. This facility integrates AI and robotics to optimize production, from planting to harvesting. Its intelligent greenhouse, a core feature, uses digital sensors to monitor and adjust conditions like temperature, humidity, and light. With the capacity to seed over 6,500 plants per hour, the factory demonstrates the potential of agricultural robotics and crop management software. This efficiency extends to growing diverse crops, including vegetables, flowers, and economic forest trees. By reducing manual labor and enhancing precision, these smart systems are reshaping agricultural practices and inspiring similar advancements nationwide. The Chongqing factory stands as a beacon of how innovation can meet the rising demand for food and sustainability. In Anhui Province, the boundaries of farming are being redefined. 9 researchers in Funan County now manage 40,000 hectares of farmland, thanks to the integration of China's smart farming technologies. Automated machinery, unmanned vehicles, and advanced software make this incredible feat possible. Each individual can oversee up to 27 hectares of land, a stark contrast to traditional farming labor requirements. The tools they use, such as farm management software, provide real-time data on soil health, weather conditions, and crop progress. This data-driven approach reduces errors, enhances productivity, and ensures sustainable farming practices. By showcasing the power of automation and precision agriculture, this project highlights the potential for scalable solutions to global food challenges. At Qixing Farm in Heilongjiang Province, smart systems are taking summer farming to the next level. The automated unmanned aerial vehicle field inspection platform is a standout tool, providing detailed insights into soil fertility, crop health, and yield predictions in real time. This integration of precision agriculture tools allows for more informed decision-making, reducing waste and enhancing efficiency. By focusing on quality rather than just quantity, Qixing Farm embodies a shift towards sustainable farming practices. This approach also ensures that farmers can meet growing demand while preserving the environment. The use of intelligent agriculture systems is setting new benchmarks in efficiency and precision, making Heilongjiang a leader in modern farming. China has over 500 million people living in rural areas, making up about 40% of the country's total population. This massive scale shapes a unique approach to agricultural modernization. On one side, millions of farmers need incentives, such as higher incomes, to remain engaged in agriculture. On the other, traditional farming practices must evolve to use land more efficiently. To address these challenges, China is upgrading agricultural business models and expanding opportunities to increase farmers' incomes, driving progress in rural development. Guangdong Province is pioneering blue farming, a vision for sustainable marine aquaculture. A notable innovation is Gushing No. 1, a semi-submersible breeding platform located off Zhuhai City's coast. Spanning an area equivalent to 7 basketball courts, this platform demonstrates how technology is transforming the ocean into a resource for food security. With 30,000 cubic meters of aquaculture space, Gushing No. 1 can produce large quantities of healthy fish while maintaining ecological balance. This form of smart farming addresses the growing demand for protein while reducing the strain on traditional farming systems. By combining advanced engineering with sustainable practices, blue farming is helping China lead in marine economy innovation. In Jilin Province, once barren saline-alkali land now thrives thanks to a blend of innovative land reclamation techniques and China's smart farming practices. Since 2012, the region has transformed over 150,000 hectares of unproductive land into fertile fields. At a 600-hectare demonstration farm near Dan City, rice paddies teem with ducks and crabs in a carefully designed ecosystem. These animals aerate the soil, fertilize the crops, and manage pests naturally. This method not only reduces chemical inputs but also creates additional income streams for farmers. With over 40 million tons of grain produced annually, Jilin is solidifying its role as a leader in sustainable and high-tech agriculture.